This instructional video will teach you how to install your cash strap and or money clip to your Axwell wallet. Installing the cash strap. Your Axwell wallet comes with the cash strap pre-installed straight out of the box. Fold your cash into quarters and lift the cash strap up to slide it under the shield. The cash strap comes with rubber beads under the shield to hold your cash in place and prevent it from slipping out. Installing the money clip. Remove the magnetic cover plate on the back side of the wallet by lifting the left or right side up with your fingernail. Remove the pre-installed cash strap from the cover plate. Slide the money clip into the two notches on the cover plate from the left or right side until you hear a click. Snap the cover plate back to the wallet. Fold your cash into quarters and lift the end of the money clip to slide your cash securely into place. Installing both the cash strap and money clip at the same time. Follow the steps I just mentioned to install both the cash strap and the money clip at the same time. You will need to select one side of the wallet for the cash strap and the other side of the wallet for the money clip. Warning: be careful not to have the seam of the inside elastic on the same side as the seam for the cash strap. This may prevent the magnetic outside cover plates from fully attaching to the inside shell cover plates. The seam for the inside elastic should only be on the same side as the money clip if you are planning to attach both the cash strap and the money clip at the same time. If you'd like to keep your wallet as slim as possible, you can choose not to have the cash strap or the money clip installed. Remove the magnetic cover plate on the back side of the wallet by lifting the left or right side up with your fingernail. Remove the pre-installed cash strap from the cover plate. Snap the cover plate back to the wallet. Fold your cash into quarters and store it inside of the back of your wallet with your cards.